Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, you know the constant battle for space in a workshop is real. We all have those heavy stationary tools that are essential, but become a logistical nightmare when you need to rearrange your floor plan or just clean underneath them. That's why today we're diving deep into a product that promises to liberate your equipment without breaking the bank, the BORA Universal Mobile Base Kit. At a retail price of just $67, it enters a market full of expensive, often over-engineered solutions. We'll be exploring if this budget-friendly option truly delivers on its promises of stability and ease of movement. So, in this review, we'll cover the unique features that set it apart, how it handles different tool weights, and whether it's the shop upgrade you've been waiting for. All right, let's talk about the BORA Universal Mobile Base Kit. I've been a woodworker for years, and if there's one thing I've learned, it's that mobility in the shop is worth its weight in gold. I used to have tools tucked away in corners, gathering dust simply because I dreaded the process of dragging them out. The BORA kit changed that immediately. Priced at $67, it feels like an absolute steal compared to the big-name alternatives that often run well over 100. This isn't just a flimsy set of casters, it's a well-engineered solution designed to turn stationary heavyweights into movable machines. The low-profile design is particularly impressive because it keeps your equipment stable without adding excessive height, which is crucial when you're trying to feed long boards into a table saw or get a comfortable stance at a drill press. It's one of those rare tools that solves a problem you didn't realize you could fix so affordably. The standout feature, for me, has to be the foot levers. I know talking about levers sounds boring, but these are a game changer. When I first unboxed the kit, I was skeptical about how robust the mechanism would be, but the steel construction feels substantial. The concept is simple. You step on a lever to lift the machine onto the casters to move it, and you step on another to drop it back onto the rubber feet. There are no thumb screws to tighten, no wrenches to fiddle with, and no risk of pinching your fingers. In my shop, I often need to clear space for assembly work or just to sweep the floor. With my old setup, it was a two-person job to move the drill press. Now, I just flip the levers with my foot, roll it to the wall, and drop it back down. It locks in solidly, eliminating any wobble that you sometimes get with cheaper mobile bases. One thing that really sets this base apart is the engineering regarding tipping. If you've ever had a heavy bandsaw or planer on a standard forecaster base, you know the terror of it tipping forward when you pull it out. The BORA kit addresses this with a unique outrigger design. The front wheels are positioned to extend outward, effectively widening the footprint and eliminating that forward tipping potential. I put this to the test with a hefty 190-pound bandsaw. I could pull it out from the wall with one hand, no fear of it pitching forward onto the floor. It gives you a sense of confidence that is hard to quantify until you felt it. You don't realize how much you baby your tools when moving them until you use a base that feels genuinely secure. This stability is the core reason I'd recommend this over a generic castor kit. From a versatility standpoint, this kit is surprisingly adaptable. The fully adjustable steel frame means you can fit it to a wide variety of footprints. I've used it on a 17-inch drill press, a cabinet table saw, and a large planer, and with a little tweaking of the frame width, it accommodated them all. I did add a 3/4-inch plywood base to the frame for a couple of my machines, mostly to give myself a larger platform to slide the tool onto, which made solo installation a breeze. The 400-pound weight limit is more than generous for 99% of stationary tools you'll find in a typical shop. Even with a heavy planer sitting on top, the base feels solid, and the rubber pads on the feet keep it planted firmly on the concrete floor. It transforms a cramped workspace into an open, flexible environment where you aren't forced to work in one fixed orientation. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't address the assembly process because that's where the feedback is a bit mixed. The instructions are primarily diagrams, step by step pictures without a lot of text. While I found them pretty straightforward, I can see how someone less familiar with hardware might struggle, particularly with the nylon washers for the wheels. There's definitely a specific order you need to follow, and getting that last washer on can be a bit of a puzzle. It took me about 45 minutes to get the first one done, but the second one went together much faster. It's not impossible by any means, but I'd suggest watching a quick video online if you're a visual learner. Once it's together, though, everything lines up perfectly and the hardware quality is top-notch, no stripped threads or cheap-feeling nuts. To wrap it up, the BORA Universal Mobile Base Kit is hands down one of the best investments I've made for my shop. The combination of the foot lever mechanism, the anti-tip design, and the sheer sturdiness makes it a winner. I value tools that respect my time and my space, and this does both. I've since bought a second one for my table saw because the convenience is addictive. If you're tired of dragging heavy equipment across the floor or just want to reclaim some square footage in your workshop, this is the solution. It's not just about moving tools, it's about making your workflow smoother and safer. For the price, the quality you get here is exceptional, and it delivers exactly what it promises. That's the BORA base in action. Stop wrestling with heavy gear and start rolling. If this review moved you, give the video a like to support the channel. And don't get stuck in one place. Subscribe for more reviews that help you mobilize your shop and your skills.